Okay, so I'm going to give you a proper room tour of our room at Planet Hollywood. So as you walk into the room, you're going to have a bathroom on the right. Plenty of space to put your stuff. Soaker tub, which is nice. Your toilet. And then you've got a shower. And you also get your shampoos. As you walk out, then you walk into the room. You've got a full desk, outlets, large screen TV. You've got a refrigerator underneath, drawers for your clothes, and then a large armoire for your hanging clothes. Benches on each bed with a small table to eat. This room happens to have 2 queen beds. Nice artwork. You've also got USB plugs so you can plug in your devices. And on either side of the lamp, you've got outlets. And then this room has a beautiful view of Paris, the arch, the balloon, and then a little bit closer, you can see the lake for Bellagio, where the Bellagio fountains are, that go off periodically during the day and more often at night. Unfortunately, at night there's a big glare on the window, so I couldn't show you. And then off in the distance, you can see the mountains there that are gorgeous at sunrise. So there you've got the room tour. Now, this room cost us about $37 a night because we got it comped. We're just paying for the resort fee. If you get the app, you get a Caesars account, you can get discounts on the rooms. So I strongly recommend you doing that before you ever even come. And if you have been here and you have an account, then get the app on your phone. They have one for the Android and one for the Apple phones. Go on the phone and you can look at the calendars and find out what the discounts are, and also see where the rooms can be comped. Many times during the week they're comped. On the weekends they tend to charge a little bit, but sometimes you can get them comped like we did this weekend. The only thing is on really big weekends when they have big convention shows, especially for consumer electronics show, things like that, you're not going to get many discounts. So that's how we got this room for about $37 a night. We're also parking in the Miracle Mile parking lot, which is free. It's kind of joined alongside of the hotel here, and so that's another way that you can do things a little bit cheaper too. If you do have a car, then we can strongly recommend you driving out to Hoover Dam. You can do that for free if you park on the Arizona side. If you park on the Nevada side, then you're going to pay $10 like we did. We didn't want to drive all the way across it that way. But it's a nice, cheap thing to do, and it's pretty amazing out there. I really recommend, if you've never been out there, go look at it. It's really gorgeous scenery out there. And then, of course, after that, we went to Esther M's Chocolate Factory, which was a really nice experience. You get to watch them make the chocolate. They have plenty of chocolate in the store there that you can buy, and they have specialty chocolates that you can buy, chocolates filled with liqueur. And then out back, they have a cactus garden, which is really nice to go through. So right now we're back to the room. We're going to rest a little while, go get something to eat. It's now lunchtime for us. And then we'll see what happens. I think we're going to go gamble a little bit after that. So that's the room tour and a little bit what we did this morning. Right now it is 12 o'clock, basically. It's actually 11:56. So we've done all this before noon, and we have the rest of the day to do everything we're going to do. So that's it for now.